Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to install this ceiling light. I got it for review. This is really cool light. It has RGBs around and you have the front light. So the way you would install, it comes with this thing and you have the cover. So over here I have a little bit uh, it problem here. This the ceiling thing has very minimal room on the side, so I had to just make a workaround. I just put this on the first screw and just made another hole on the ceiling, so that's how I had to do it. But I believe you won't have to do that. You would just go take out the existing one and put the new one. So the way you would just wire it, and the really cool feature, it comes with this wire which keeps it in its place, and you don't have to worry about the like putting tension on the wire. That is really cool feature. So over here you get the black wire and the other black one together. You would just use the cap it came with, and let me see if you guys can see. So you would just push this inside and you can see it will stay in its place, and you have to just put all the way and make sure it stays there. And you do the same thing on the white one as well. So you would just put it next to each other, maybe just twist like this so it can stay, and do the same. As you can see, it just stays in its place. So right now we can just tuck everything inside. All we have to do is twist. Let's see, push everything. So over here you can see there are three notches and you have three places. So you would just align it with the first one like this and twist it, and it will stay like this. So we can just turn on the light and see it was successful or not. As you can see, it works. And the best part, you can just turn off the main light, and you can also turn off the RGB. And once you do that, you can see easily change the color temperature as well. If you think this is too white, like this is daylight, you can press this button here and change the color temperature. In this case you will have soft yellowish color, so that's an option. And over here with the RGBs you can switch through between different options. You can see whatever the light you like, and also you can press this button here. It will just continuously cycle through the different colors like this. You can see it's gonna go continue changing different colors, and you can have 60 seconds timer or 1 hour, so whichever you might need. And again, you can also dim the light. You can see it goes very minimal. You can also, let's say this is all the way on the full brightness. In the middle you can see there is a moon symbol here. You just press this and it will just kind of night light. It just goes all the way dim, whatever the lowest option. And same thing, you can also change to color option. You can see you have different color, and the same thing works on this. While it's on the full brightness, press the moon, it will just turn it off and you will see it has this soft light. It doesn't stay on the white. It acts like a night light. So overall you guys saw how easy it was to install. Within couple minutes you can install it. The remote control comes with, and everything to install comes with in the package as well. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.